Hi everyone, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. So, kamusta kayo? Welcome sa Liluna Tarot. This is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader. So, good morning sa inyong lahat. Good morning. I hope okay kayo palagi. Masaya and healthy. Okay, so ngayong araw gagawa tayo ng pick a pile or pick a card reading. Okay, so makikita ninyo sa inyong harapan, we have two piles. Okay, but first, we're going to tackle ano yung topic natin for um, today. Okay, so again guys, kapag narinig ninyong umubo ako, pagpasensyahan nyo na kasi may ubo nga po ako at medyo paos. Okay, so ngayon, ang topic natin is situationship, no contact. Okay. Itong sitwasyon na to ay para sa mga taong totally no contact. Okay? Situationship, walang title. Ano ang iniisip ng person mo ngayon? Okay, if you're in a situationship and no contact, this reading is for you. Okay? So, sa harapan ninyo, we have two piles. This is pile number 1 with this wood bracelet. Okay, lucky wood bracelet. Pile number 1. Okay. And this is pile number 2 with this black beads bracelet. And may kita ninyo parang dragon siya or Chinese dragon. So this is a lucky bracelet also. Okay. So this is pile number 1 and this is pile number 2. Ano ang iniisip ng person mo ngayon? Situationship, no contact. Again, meditate on your pile and choose what pile is yung tinatawag yung attention mo. Pile number 1, pile number 2. Situationship, no contact, anong iniisip ng person mo ngayon? Pili ka na and let's start na agad. Okay. Kung nakapili ka na, we will start na sa pile number 1. So, itatabi lang muna natin tong pile number 2. So, kung ito ang napili mo, pile number 1, ito yung reading mo. Situationship, no contact, anong iniisip ng person mo ngayon? Okay. First, for some of you can be an earth sign. Okay. Earth sign, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Okay. Okay, let's see. Ano bang iniisip ng person mo ngayon? Pile number 1. Wait lang. Let's start with this card. Finances, future, mind on the money. Single, not in relationship. Competition, the other woman. Wow. Cheating, wow. Broken trust. We will see. Secret admirer. Secret admirer, timid. Ooh. Oh, this card confirms this is an ex-lover. Old spark. Okay, pile number one. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, someone here is watching you from afar. It can be this is an ex-lover. Okay. And may separation na between sa inyong dalawa and po pwedeng ang nangyari sa inyong dalawa is merong nag-cheat, merong nangalunya, merong tumingin sa iba, merong hindi na kontento. And it can be you are single right now and you are not in relationship and you are focused on your finances and you are minding your own money. Okay? Sabi ko nga, you could be an earth sign. Earth signs are known na sabi ko nga sa other reading ko, talagang mahalaga yung finances when it comes to earth sign. So, hindi ko man inilalang lang, okay, yung single zodiac. Pero most, okay, with the competition here, the other woman, it can be uh, the other woman, literally, is kilala ka. And this person is also looking at you, okay, or spying on you. Well, there is a big chance na kilala ka nitong other woman. Okay, and this other woman is alam niya na you are single right now. Okay. And po pwedeng this ex-lover is admiring you from afar. Right? And this other woman also know na syempre kakumpetensya ka niya dito sa heart nitong ex-lover na to, kung sino man tong person na to. Okay? At siguro, this person is humahanga siya sa'yo kasi you are focused on your money. It can be you are successful right now when it comes to money. Pile number one. Interested, awaiting messages, text, call, email, talking more. So, talking. Passion. Insane chemistry, spark, having fun, equal interest, burning desire. And could be this person is a fire sign for some of you. Hmm. Maybe this other woman is alam niya na your ex still in love with you. Okay? Girl with a snake, charm or use, enable boundaries. And tingnan nyo kung saan siya tumapat kay other woman. 'Di ba? This person is picking and spying on you. Right? Key on a ring. Many options, unconventional, one night stand, string along. And it could be this ex lover of yours. Pile number one is sabi natin babaero. And it could be you is maraming options right now kasi nga you are single. Or you are parang ikaw yung napipisil na options na po pwedeng, siguro iniisip nitong third party na to na po pwedeng this person, itong lalaki na to kung sino man to or babae na to na ex lover mo is gusto kang kausapin. Look at this one with the talking. Awaiting messages, text, call, email. Right? Karmic relationship. Resentment, di ba? Sabi ko, resentment and triggers. perception, intensity and letting go, turmoil and fleeting. Wow. So meron ako nakikita dito na there is a turmoil coming. Okay? And sabi ko nga kung pwedeng this ex-lover is still in relationship dito sa third party with the competition card in a girl with a snake. Okay? Still in relationship but still this ex of yours is still looking at you, still wants you, still loves you, wants to talk to you. Old school, outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. So, malinaw na malinaw pile number one na this ex of yours is still thinking of you. Ano sabi ko, di ba? Outdated thinking, still thinking of you, not moving on, not able to move on. Yes. But this person already broke your trust. Wala ka nang tiwala dito sa person na to. And marahil hindi na kayo nag-uusap nitong person na to, kaya itong person na to is gusto makipag-communicate ulit sa'yo. File number one. Actually, this person wants to talk to you and the third party knows about it. Kasi hindi pa rin siguro nawawala yung passion. Kasi with the secret admire here, this person still looking at you pero you are not looking into this person. You are focused on your money. Actually, this person is happy kapag kausap ka. And now that there is no communication, there is no contact between sa inyong dalawa, this person is overthinking, replaying event sa mind niya, sa head niya. Okay? That's why nakita mo yung tingin nitong third party. Nakikita mo? Uh, Pinagmamasdan ka niya. Kung tinitingnan niya kung interested, ano bang kung in relationship ka na ba? File number one. Let's see. Actually, ang nakukuha kong ang iniisip ng person na to, gusto niya makipag-communicate sa'yo. Gusto ko niya makausap. This person wants to talk to you, waiting if kukontakin mo ba siya. Mhm. We will see, ha? We will see. Coach number 5. Stop. So, this card signifies na ayaw mong kausap tong person na to. You don't want to talk to this person. Care. Oh, okay. So, it can be this person is may pamilya na or this person still care sa'yo. Meron akong nakikita dito na it can be this person is may partner na or may live-in partner na, may asawa na, and po pwedeng meron akong nakita guys, may pinakita sa akin na there is a situation where there is a couple, a wife and a husband, And this husband is nahuli. It can be this is an ex of yours nga eh, and this person it can be married na ngayon eh. But this person is still looking at you. Pwedeng on Facebook, looking at you from afar. And pwede siguro nalaman ng asawa, nalaman ng babae na actually this person is, or this ex of yours is, still looking at your Facebook, di ba? Photos. Eh ikaw, single ka eh. Happily single ka and you're focused on your money. And pwedeng gusto pa rin makipag-reconnect sa'yo nitong ex mo nga na to, sabi ko nga kanina. It can be this is your classmate. Meron ako narinig, high school classmate, college classmate, um, may school something na magkasama sa school before. Compromise. Diba? Wow. Nakita mo, nag-aaway yung dalawang babae while the person is nasa gitna, yung lalaki, di ba? Nakikita mo? O pwedeng itong babae, the partner ngayon, is gusto kang i-approach, gusto makipag-usap sa'yo kasi nga nahuli nga niya siguro yung ex mo or kakonect mo before, parang nakapling mo dati, is spying on you or looking at you on the social media. Nakikita mo to? Compromise. Nakikita mo? Umaawat siya. Actually, wala kang kasalanan doon kasi hindi mo naman alam. Meron ako nakikita dito na for some of you is you're not aware. We will see. Pile number 1. Queen of Cups. Wow. Emotionally matured. You can be the Queen of Cups. Very loving, emotionally matured, kind, happy. Okay. For some of you, pile number 1, malambing ka. Malambing ka na person. Ito pwede siguro itong girl here is, yung partner niya, hindi. Meron ako nakitang ganon. It can be na yung partner niya is hindi. Right? Alam mo, meron ako nakikita dito na you can be a coach. Okay. You can be a speaker. You can be a teacher for some of you. A tutor. Or meron ako nakikita dito. Kung itong ex na to is naging kaibigan mo, high school, um, kabatch mo din, friend mo din, somehow, siguro before, nahingan ka nito ng advice. Nahingan ka niya ng advice. Yes. For some of you and pwedeng, may naramdaman mo na rin siguro na parang may something tong person na 'to. It can be ka-fling mo siya before or ex-lover mo siya before. Dati 'yon siguro on your high school or on your college days, parang somewhere dati pa. Pero it can be itong person na 'to is committed na already. Meron akong nakikitang gano'n. Pupuwedeng pinagseselosan ka. Yung iba sa inyo ha, so take what's resonate guys. The Star. Inspiration ka nitong person na 'to, pile number 1. You can be spiritual, meron akong nakikita, pile number 1, pupuwedeng spiritual ka and siguro kung sino man 'tong ex-lover na 'to, siguro ano, basta ano, meron kang personality na hinahangaan nitong person na 'to, Pupuwedeng matalino ka, caring ka, knowledgeable ka, magaling ka sa finances, meron akong nakikita dito. Hinahangaan nitong person na 'to yung quality mo na yon. Aquarius, water sign, could be a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Aquarius. Wow. Ten of Swords. Bitter. Oh, it can be this third party or itong girl, yung partner ko nitong ex mo. Actually, wala naman ako nakikita na ano na parang may connection pa kayo may connection pa kayo na romantic Nakikita ko dito na someone is feeling exhausted. May nakikita ko na itong person na 'to, exhausted siya dun sa partner niya siguro. Nagsasawa na siya kasi siguro this person is nagger, palaaway, matapang, while ikaw naman ay caring, malambing, kind, warm, romantic, emotionally matured ka, pile number 1. While this other female na nakikita ko ay basta matapang, palaaway, bad temper, parang gano'n. And siguro this person is parang siya alam mo yun, yung exhausted nga siya, yung parang nai-stress siya. And siguro yun yung reason kaya nag-stop ka ng makipag-communicate dito sa person na 'to. Wala na kayong communication kasi nga ayaw mo ng gulo, it can be, ayaw mo ng gulo, ayaw mo ng magulo, ayaw mo ng problema. Let's see. Page of Cups. Well, meron ako nakikita na this person wants to message you. Big time. This person wants to message you big time. Siguro ikaw yung nakakausap niya. Siguro pagka-exhausted siya dun sa partner niya, ikaw yung nakakausap niya or ikaw yung nahihinga ng partner niya or merong instances na nahingan ka niya ng advice. Meron ako nakikita dito, caring ka na person. Knowledgeable ka din yung tinuturuan mo din siya on how to handle things, parang ganyan. Yeah, meron akong nakikitang ganun. You give this person hope. Feeling itong person na 'to parang ano, eh, parang kayo yung parang ano, eh, parang mas ano, mas bagay. So, we will see. Ano ba yung message niya sa'yo na iniisip nitong person na 'to? Basta meron akong nakikita, this person wants to message you. Wants to message you. Puwedeng nagsisisi 'to, eh, nagsisisi 'to na, bakit kasi kayo naghiwalay, bakit ba siya kasi nag-cheat, I don't know. Parang gano'n, eh, may cheating dito, eh. Pupuwedeng karmic niya pala yung isa, then parang ikaw pala yung na-realize niya na ikaw pala yung parang better partner, yung parang wish fulfillment with the star card here. Ikaw yung wish fulfillment. Na-realize niya na ikaw yung parang better partner sa kanya. Yung parang, alam mo yun, yung may chemistry kayo, parehas kayo ng interest. Nakukuha nyo guys. Na-realize niya yun. Kaso, siguro mas pinili niya yung karmic for some of you. And this person wants to talk to you again. Wants to have a connection again sa'yo. And it can be, you support this person, you care. May care ka dito sa person na to. So, yun nakikita ko. Wala tayong magagawa. Nasa karmic siya ngayon, eh. Okay, ano yung message niya sa'yo or ano iniisip pa niya sa'yo, pile number 1. Words do hurt. Words do hurt. I 10 of Swords. I am in so much pain. You make me want to do bad things. O, di ba? This person wants to rush. Wants to rush na makausap ka. Ikaw yung wish fulfillment, ikaw yung matured. Ikaw yung matured, eh. Siguro, nag-cheat siya sa'yo, tapos napunta siya sa karmic. And siguro nagsisisi na siya, siguro parang gano'n, na parang, why do I cheat to my person? Bakit ba akong nag-cheat sa kanya? Tuloy, nasa karmic siya ngayon, and this person, this ex, is not happy. Is not happy. Oh my gosh. Love me. Guys, ang sabi ng person na to is love me. Mahalin mo ako ulit. Mahalin mo ako ulit. Ako ulit piliin mo. Well, you don't, with the stop card here, ayaw mo na kasi ng stress. Kontento ko na maging single. Ito pwede siguro this person is hindi na kontento kasi kung sino man tong ex na to. My life started when I met you. And it ends when I cheat on you. Meron ako narinig. My life started when I met you and my life ended when I cheat on you. Sorry guys, masyado lang ako natutuwa kasi. This person wants to offer his cup or her cup sa'yo. Nakakatuwa. Nakakatawa pala, hindi nakakatuwa. Kasi, pwede ngang This person cheat on you. One of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, or this person wants to start to have a new start sa'yo, wants to invest sa'yo. Guys, Ace of Pentacles wants to give you his cup, wants to have a new beginning, wants to have a start. Oh my gosh. Nakikita nyo to, oh, ikaw yung inaaway ng girl. Kung sino mang karmic na to. Oh my gosh. So, ano iniisip ng person? File number one, your situationship, no contact. And probably this is your ex. Um, Nagsisisi siya. Gusto niya mag-offer ng cup sa'yo. Gusto niyang mahalin mo siya ulit. Gusto niyang bumalik sa'yo. Na-realize niya na kayo yung parang bagay. Kayo yung parang same ng interest. Kayo yung parang magkasundo. Ikaw yung nagpapasaya sa kanya. Marami siyang natutunan sa iyo. 'Di ba? This person is in so much pain right now kasi siguro sinabihan mo tong person na to na hindi na kita mahal. Ayoko na, parang gano'n. Hindi na kita gusto. I don't want anything about you. I don't want to connect sa'yo. I want to start new. Siguro sinabihan mo siya ng gano'n and pwedeng this person is na-hurt siya. And siguro sinabi niya na, please, mahalin mo ako ulit. Love me again, parang ganyan. Accept me again. Well, karma is a B. File number one. So, stay focused on your money, your finances. And with this lucky bracelet you choose, is very lucky ka. Kasi this is a lucky bracelet, guys. Okay? So, I hope number one nag-resonate sa'yo yung reading natin ngayon. And pasensya na guys kung tumatawa ako sa reading kasi natatawa talaga ako doon sa nakikita ko sa cards. Okay? So, hindi ko na papatagalin to guys and I will go to pile number 2. Okay, pile number 2. Kung ito yung napili mong pile, ito yung reading mo. So, situationship and no contact. Okay? Anong iniisip ng person mo ngayon? Okay. So, ito yung napili mong bracelet. For some of you could be a Scorpio. You can be Year of the Dragon for some of you. This is a lucky bracelet, guys. Ha? So, we will see. Ano ba yung iniisip ng person mo ngayon? Storm. Turmoils coming ahead. Gambling. Taking a chance. Compromise. Making changes. Wow. Compromise. Regret. Mistakes. New love. Renew hope. Wow. Pile number 2. Someone here is in regret. You can be nasa new love na. You have a new love na right now. Okay, and someone wants to change that relationship of yours because this person is having a regret sa nangyari sa inyo. This person wants to take a chance, wants to approach you, gustong pumagitna sa relationship mo ngayon if you are in a new relationship, pile number two. Yes. And meron akong nakikita dito na prepare yourself. Kasi, hindi, kanina nung sinashuffle ko ito guys, itong file number 2, meron akong nakuha na hindi magandang energy. Oo. Kasi meron akong nakikita na pwedeng you are happy right now. You are happy right now on your love life, sa partner mo, okay, take what's resonate. Kasi you are in a new relationship na eh. We will see. Love call. Expressing love, messages of love, thinking of you, informing you. Look at this one. Storm coming ahead with the love call here. Someone will contact you, will message you. This is a no contact guys ah. Again, this is a no contact situation. This person will inform you that hindi siya papayag. Okay, hindi siya papayag na you are in a new relationship. O pwedeng this person will beg. Not enough, lacking confidence, self-sabotage, ego, and fear frustration. This person feel, pinaramdam niya sa'yo na it can be you're not enough. Pinaramdam niya sa'yo, siya yung naging dahilan kung bakit bumaba yung self-confidence mo. That, sabi ko kanina, you can be in Scorpio. That, the relationship is over, no second chances, grow and transform. What's dead is dead. And this person wants to change this one, the death card. Ayaw niyang magkaroon ng ending sa inyong dalawa. Kung sino man tong person na to. This card signifies also that really, yung relationship nyo or yung connection mo dito sa person na to is already over. Meron ako nakikita na, sabi ko nga, this is a dark energy. With the no second chances here, siguro sinasabi mo na no second chances. Ayaw mo na dito sa person na to kasi trauma yung inabot mo dito, frustrations, fear, alam mo yon, sobra-sobra yung pinagdaanan mo dito siguro sa person na to. The dragonfly, light, hearted and adapt, finding out and change, things coming to light and heal. O pwedeng this person, nalaman niya, finding out, coming to light, na actually you are in a new relationship na. Meron ka ng new person, you are in a new partnership na, meron ng bagong nagmamahal sa iyo ngayon. And this person is hindi niya matanggap yun. Pile number 2. Hindi niya matanggap yun. The Golden Mirror. Wow. Narcissist, love bombing, self-absorbed, one-sided. So, again, it can be, this person is a narcissist. Disclaimer lang guys ha. It can be this person is a narcissist. Okay? With the self-absorbed and one-sided, it can be, meron ako nakikita dito na, this person only love his self or one-sided yung love. Mm. Tapos ngayon na nalaman nitong person na 'to na you are in a new relationship na, gusto niya ngayon na itama kung ano yung pagkukulang niya before. Gusto niya ngayong magbago. Gusto niya ngayong mag-make yung parang mag-make change, humingi ng tawad, sabihin sa'yo na nagbago na ako, ila-love bomb ka nitong person na 'to. And siguro this person is nakapag-isip-isip. We will see. Strategy. O, 'di ba? This person is planning, wants to take chance, wants to gamble. This person is nag-iisip ng strategy. How to get you, how to win you again, paano ka mapapaniwala again. Meron kasi ako nakikita dito na minahal mo tong person na 'to, pile number 2. Perseverance, challenge, endurement, resolution. Hindi pagsuko, persevere ha. O pwedeng stubborn tong person na 'to. Hindi ka nito susukuan, basta hindi 'to basta-basta titigil. And po pwedeng by force. Kaya sabi ko sa inyo kanina, pile number 2, be prepared. Stress, headache, pressure, lack of sleep. This person is stressing. And it can be this person cause you stress. Cause you stress. Kasi this is a self-absorbed person. Pag sinabi kasi nating narcissist, there are different kind of narcissist kasi. May covert narcissist. Iba-iba kasi yung type ng narcissist, guys. Bully. 'Di ba? Nakikita nyo ba? Not enough. Lacking confidence, self-sabotage. Bully. This person bullies you. Actually, this is a narcissist. This is a narcissist. Kaya siguro naramdaman mo na you are not enough. Nawalan ka ng confidence dahil dito sa person na to. Siguro minamaliit ka nitong person na to. Minamaliit ka, sinisiraan ka, kinikwento ka sa iba na ikaw si ganito, ikaw si ganyan, ito si ganito, ganyan. Toxic. Let's see. Seven of Cups. Mataas yung tingin nitong person na to sa sarili niya. And siguro, this person is ginawa kang choice. Pinaramdam niya na ano ka, parang isa ka lang sa pinagpipilian niya. Pero ako narinig na this person is parang laro lang sa kanya. Hermit. It can be this person isolate you. Ganun kasi, pag narcissist, ina-isolate sa mga tao para makontrol ka niya. You can be spiritual also or an old soul, pile number 2. Number 9 can be significant also. Alam mo, meron ako dito, siguro nagkakaroon ka ng nightmare because of this person. Guys, meron ako ipapakita sa inyo. This is Luna, ang aking cat. Okay. Wait lang guys ha. Can be a Virgo also. Pero meron ako nakita dito, it could be spiritual. Hindi usog ka. Okay. So, sorry guys ha. Kung na-pause yung reading. Okay. So, Six of Pentacles. Kasi ano meron ako nakita dito na with the one-sided here, there is no equal give and take here. Parang 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 pinaramdam nitong person na to na option ka lang Hindi kanya pinaglaanan ng oras. Parang binibigyan kanya ng crumbs. Alam mo yun, binibigyan kanya ng parang binibigyan ka ng limos. Parang ganun. It can be this person is cheater kasi masyadong mataas ang tingin nito sa sarili nito. Can be this person is a Libra. Pero hindi balance Hindi balance. Walang equal give and take. Meron ako nakikita na hindi equal give and take. Kung ano man yung dynamic niyo before. O pwedeng you support this person, you supported this person. It can be this person is, sabi ko nga controlling. Controlling tong person na to. Parang siya, parang authoritative. Yung parang alam mo yun, yung basta controlling siya, toxic siya, girl, guys. Toxic siya. Wow. Look at that. King of Swords in reverse. Oh my gosh. For me King of Swords in reverse is not a good energy. Alam nyo yan. Kung palagi na kayong nanonood sa channel natin, King of Swords in reverse is a manipulative person. Manipulative person to. Matalino tong person to, yes, strategic siya. That is a big check and that is a known character of this person, but this person is a manipulative as F. Okay? This person knows kung ano yung sasabihin niya. Alam niya kung paano ka i-manipulate. Alam niya kung ano yung kahinaan mo. this person knows how to gaslight or parang i-guilt trip ka. Oo, pile number 2. So, be aware, okay? Be aware and prepare yourself. Magkaroon ka ng katatagan ng kalooban at saka ng prinsipyo ba or paninindigan. As much as possible, don't communicate sa person na to kung ano man yung sasabihin niya is just a mask or is just a facade. Kasi, hindi ka na niya makontrol ngayon kasi you are in a new relationship na. You have a new love na. Hindi ka na niya makokontrol ngayon kasi nga, what I mean is, separated na kayo. And alam mo naman siguro yan. Okay? Let's see. I still don't have all the answers. I worry about us a lot. Ace of Swords or gusto nito makipag-communicate sa'yo guys. Be prepared ha. Kung ako sa inyo, block nyo tong person na to. This person also spying on you. You are so beautiful. Why do you need me? I know you from somewhere. Meron akong nakuha dito na itong person na to. Pag meron akong nakikita kapag nag-aaway kayo or kapag sinasabi mo sa kanya kung ano yung problema, nagmamaang-maangan tong person na to, parang hindi niya alam. Parang pinapalabas niya na you're insane. Pinapalabas niya na, ano ka ba? Hindi totoo yun. Parang pinapalabas niya na ikaw yung may problema. Tingnan mo, I just want space. Meron ako nakita din ditong push and pull. Alam mo yun, yung hot and cold, push and pull, dynamic. Siguro strategy niya yun. Pile number 2, strategy niya yun. Yung parang magpapaawa siya, parang parang iano niya na parang sakit na sakit siya, parang hindi niya alam kung ano ba yung ginawa niya before, sana patawarin mo siya, hindi niya alam na ganun kanya nasaktan, nagsisisi siya, nagbago na siya. Alam mo lahat ng mga magagandang salita sasabihin nitong person na to para lang mapaniwala ka niya pero wag mong sirain. If you are in a new relationship right now, wag mong ipagpalit to, itong new relationship mo kasi this person is toxic. So there is a storm coming, okay? So anong iniisip itong person na to? Pigilan ka sa new love mo ngayon. Guluhin ka sa new kung saang space ka man ngayon. Yeah, gusto ka niya ulit kontrolin, gusto ka niya ulit i-manipulate, gusto niya ulit if kung nabalik mo na yung self-confidence mo sa sarili mo, pile number 2, wag mong hayaan na sirain na naman itong person na to kung ano yung journey na napagdaanan mo na healing. Okay? So, again, pile number 2, I hope nag-resonate sa'yo to. Magsisage ako nito after the reading kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, hindi maganda yung energy na nakita ko dito. Okay, so kung ito yung napili, so ito yung reading mo. Situationship, no contact. Ano iniisip itong person na to? Gusto itong kontakin ka. Gusto ka nitong kontrolin again. So, yun nga yung sabi ko. Okay, so sana nag-resonate sa inyo to. And kung hindi man, you are free to watch pile number 1. Okay? So, maraming salamat. Please comment down below. Okay? Kung resonated sa inyo. And kung hindi man, please, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, show your support by subscribing sa channel natin, okay? And welcome din sa channel natin kung bago ka pa lang sa panonood ng video natin. So again, this is Maria, your intuitive tarot reader, and this is Laliw na Tarot.